Hey, I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products. Today I'm going to show you our solution for a rail-mounted panel. We get these from Sweden. As you can see, they're adjustable, so wherever you want the clamp on your panel, you can put it on. You put the rail through and then adjust as you like. And then these are, you use a primer here and then a super strong adhesive to hold the panel on. And then this would be that's our rail-mounted panel. And again, this would be carbon fiber. And the solar cells are our usual Sunpower 24.4% A+ grade shade-tolerant cells. And the panel split in two. So if one half is shaded or super shaded, the other half continues to produce power. So you can order these pre-mounted, or you can mount them yourselves. So we can mount them for you, or you can do it yourself. And as you can see, they're adjustable. They slide back and forth.